So I had this large round cutter. I never use it to actually cut anything else, actually probably for tarts or something. But I use the smooth side to kind of guide me on how I want the stitching to go on the baseball, because I want it to come in on both sides here and then go down and start to go out towards the bottom part. So it looks like, you know, the size of a baseball. So I like to get this to make sure that it matches. Turn this so I can see better on both sides before I start piping. Now, I know you can't see that, so I'm gonna, you can kind of see the lines a little bit. That's gonna be my guide. So, I'm gonna literally just follow those lines. I have a number 4 tip here. And stop. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now, I've seen people leave it like that and not do stitching down here, but on a tiered cake like this, you need something on the front. So, this is where you kind of have to eyeball it and hope you get it right. So I'm going to start where this comes down. I'm going to reattach here. Goes pretty much straight until I get to the very end, and I'll start to bring it in again, like that. And then do the same thing on this side. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the back. Okay, now once it's on there, because this white icing has already crusted, because I went and stopped and ate lunch and all that, the red, if it's slightly off, like not perfect straight line, I can go back with a paper towel. I've got it folded, so I have a nice, like kind of a sharper edge where the fold is, and I can move this to where I want it to be. So I know you can't see it, but I can see here, this line, this red line is kind of not exactly where it should be. So I can gently just tap it to move it over. But only reason I can do that is because the white has already crusted. So the red has not quite adhered fully to it. Now, once it adheres fully, there's no going back. So I'm just gonna kind of check for imperfections. So, thinking we are good. Okay. So, then you've got, those are your base lines for the baseball. Now you're gonna go back and add the actual stitching. And you basically are just gonna do V's all the way up. So you can do a V all the way up, or you can do line, 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 line. However you want to do it. I usually do a V. And you're just going to keep doing this all the way up. Okay, so there's one side.